Hey everybody, Zach here and welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about Dogecoin a little bit, and is it the right time to buy Dogecoin? Getting a lot of these questions right now because it's kind of tough, right? Just a month ago on July 20th, Dogecoin was down in the 19-cent range, below 20 cents, and now it's fluctuating between 30 and 35 cents. So it's a really good question right now. Is it going to dip back down into the 20s? Should I wait? And we're going to answer some of those questions you may have about Dogecoin. First and foremost, before we get into some of the strategies you can use here investing in Dogecoin during this bull run, just note that my prediction for 2022 is that Dogecoin will hit $1 somewhere early 2022, aligning close with the Doge 1 rocket. Now, would I be totally shocked if Dogecoin hit, $1 late this year? Wouldn't be shocked. I think it's certainly still in the realm of possibilities. Now, before we take a look at number of holders and the charts, I want to bring you over to the Patreon page. This link is down in the description. You can become a supporter over there, and that's going to get you access to Patreon and Discord, where you'll have access to over 100 members talking crypto all the time. If you want to go with the $20 package, that's the insider package. Of course, you'll get those same benefits, along with buy and sell trade alerts, hot weekly crypto alerts, and one-on-one portfolio guidance, help from me directly, and group portfolio shared access only for insiders. So come on over. We'd love to have you join our great community. I'll let them speak for the community. They always speak highly of it. I think everyone there right now is getting a ton of value, and I'll tell you what, I've learned a ton from other people in our community, and that's what we're all about. So all right, without further ado, let's jump into, first and foremost, the price of Dogecoin. Up at 32 cents. We're going to take a look at the charts here. It's looking really bullish right now for Doge. There's some big news that Dogecoin has in its back pocket right now, too. Two big advisors being added to the Dogecoin Foundation, which is coming back after being shut down for 6 years. We're going to read it from a different angle, new article out there on it. We'll take a look at that, too. So let's take a look at number of holders here and or addresses. Holder statistics right now, 4,300,000. You could say 4.4 million, 4.35 actually, 4.35. Easy for me to say, right? Million addresses. But look what's happened here lately. This is the 1 month outlook. Okay, look at the jump from August 8th to the 14th here. Okay, there was a lag time in there running of the numbers, but even look at it in a week here. Look at the growth. You could see this real easily here. There you go. Number of holders, nice steady little increase here for Dogecoin, popping up nicely here over the past 7 days. Now, let's go over into TradingView and take a look at a nice little upward trajectory here. We had this little correction back 3 days ago. We dipped down to about 28 cents, right back up to 32. Now, a few days before that, back on the 16th, is when we got up to 35 cents. It looks like we are heading right back in that direction right now. Dogecoin down slightly, about 0.5%, but let's take a look at the technicals here, and we'll pull this out for you. Here we go. And right now, still rated a buy. If we take a look at the moving averages, they're showing a strong buy. Oscillators rather neutral right now, but the moving averages is a big statistic, right? That Dogecoin is, consistently moving above those daily averages, the moving averages, and the 200-day moving average is a big one. Dogecoin was so cheap, a few months ago on the big dips, and it has had a great resurgence here, which is just great to see. And I'm still very bullish on Doge, and I think there's a couple different things. I'm going to show you this article here in just a minute. We'll bounce over to it. But before this article came out, don't forget Mark Cuban was kind of talking Dogecoin up and saying that, he saw something very unique with it, that it was the cryptocurrency that people wanted to use for transactions, right? And he saw that firsthand with the Dallas Mavericks, the NBA franchise that he owns. All right, so this article from Decrypt, this is just a little angle, different angle, regarding the Dogecoin Foundation returning with Elon Musk and Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin, both as incoming advisors. The core developers behind Dogecoin, the meme cryptocurrency that seeks to be a global payment method, have announced the members of the renewed Dogecoin Foundation Its new advisory board includes Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin and Elon Musk representative Jared Burchell, according to a statement shared today. Remember what Elon said very early on. How ironic would it be if Dogecoin actually became the people's cryptocurrency? Don't think for any minute that it's just all a dog and pony show. Elon wants this. He wants this to happen. And the fact that he is now an advisor with Vitalik Buterin, why would Vitalik Buterin care? Now, the question really is, why is Vitalik in this? Is he in it to start a new venture, a new project, or is he in it because he's going to build it within the Ethereum ecosystem? Is there a merger somewhere down the line? So this is Shibatoshi Nakamoto. Some big news about the Dogecoin Foundation, talking about this group coming in. So prior to the launch of its manifesto on Sunday, Nickel told Decrypt that the foundation doesn't replace the existing developers, but provides a structure to hire full-time staff to work on Dogecoin, including engineers. The manifesto declares that we are Dogecoin, the accidental crypto movement that makes people smile. It declares that its goal is to develop a currency for the people. There you go. That's what Elon said very early on. However, while it was a manifesto and a website, the foundation, unlike those maintained by cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Cardano, is not yet a legal entity, according to Nickel. The team is still working to get final details in place and have not yet announced its headquarters to roadmap. Could you imagine being a $40 billion market cap and not having a legal entity? Crypto is a wild space, right? Elon had been advising the core team of developers since he was voted Dogecoin CEO in 2019. Their plans are nothing less than to make the cryptocurrency, which started out as a joke, a viable payment method, one that can routinely be used to buy a cup of coffee, as Decrypt exclusively revealed in May. Wow. Pretty nuts. And to put them into action, the Dogecoin Dogecoin meme, has assembled an impressive cast of advisors. Jared Burchell was mentioned, who's a senior vice president at Morgan Stanley, and Billy Marcus, who founded Dogecoin alongside Jackson Palmer, is also on the advisory board, alongside longtime developer Max Keller and Ethereum co-creator Vitalik Buterin. To many, the Ethereum co-founder would appear an unlikely choice as an advisor, but he's been very positive about Dogecoin in the past, and he's even hinted at a collaboration with Ethereum. That's the big note. If something like this were to happen, where there's some kind of collaboration, I think this would overall, first and foremost, strengthen Ethereum overall, right? But it would also legitimize Dogecoin in the process even further too. So really fascinating stuff. I'm glad that I own both assets, and I'll continue to hold both of those, both Ethereum and Dogecoin. Let me know your thoughts down below with Doge. Just wanted to bring you this latest update. It's looking very bullish for Dogecoin, and I think a big breakout could be coming, similar to what we just saw with Cardano. And how about Polygon today breaking out of its shell? That was nice to see on the heels of them acquiring Filecoin, which is super cool. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for stopping by. Appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know every time we put out another one. Take care. See you in the next video.